Hello friend, how are you? Today we learn how to income Trickbd. So let's start the video. So this site is Trickbd. Trickbd is one of the best useful tips and tricks based website in Bangladesh. People can visit the and read topics without registration. Visitors are able to give their opinion about any from topics and ask any question in comment section. After registration, they can apply to be a tuner for create tunes. Our target is to make internet and learning place, and we want to give chance to people to share their knowledge about technology by using our website. Trickbd.co believes that knowledge is only for sharing, so if anyone knows something about technology and wants to share will be always welcome to Trickbd family. And if anyone wants to acknowledge about technologies, also always welcome to our website. This site is very different categories works for job. Airtel, that is Airtel Freenet, Android custom ROM, Android phone review, Android root, Android tips, Android exposed framework apps review, Airtel Freenet. Apps review. Banglalink Freenet, Blogger, Broadband Tricks, C Programming, Coronavirus Update Bangladesh, Cryptocurrency, Education Guideline, Electronics, Facebook Tricks, Features, Freelancing Games Review, GB Freenet, Hacking News, Hacking Tutorials, Hadith and Quran Hot, ACC exam result, Islamic stories, Java mobile, Java programming, JavaScript, JC exam result, lifestyle, movie review, offer online earning. Hello friend, please subscribe to my channel, and bell icon is knocking the cursor. Online earning, operator news, PDF books, PHP, Python programming, Ruby Freenet, SEO tricks, sponsored post, SSC exam result, Symbian mobile, Symfony custom ROM, tech news, technology update, themes review, tools, trainer competition, Trickbd notice, uncategorized, Walton custom ROM, Opca web development, Windows mobile, Windows PC, WordPress, YouTube. This site is very helpful site for earn money. This is very simple app, simple site, and we must income this site. Android site, Android games review, Android custom ROM, Walton education, Facebook tricks. Then go here, programming, terms of use. Tricks provided by the user is not verified. Use your own risk. Trickbd team is not responsible for any kind of damage to your device after following public post tricks. Trickbd team doesn't provide any kind of warranty for tips and tricks provided by Trickbd. Make any kind of online transaction at your own risk for buying a domain, hosting, or any kind of service which is provided by the post creator. We are not responsible if you make any kind of online transaction and become cheated by the post creator. Please report if you detect any fraudulent activity, and we will remove the content and post creator from our platform. Trickbd can sense the terms of service anytime. Trickbd is one of the best useful tricks-based website. Our target contact. Trickbd light. Hello friend, this video is in from now. So please comment your opinion and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again next.